We're Cheryl.
So that is the Coolbridge fact.
Steve. And Lola.
It's a well-preserved Roman vent.
Join us as we pitch up and travel all around the UK.
Sort of channeling, is it the Diet Coke advert?
Yeah, exactly that. The first thing that comes to mind.
It is. It's true. I'm a Diet Coke man.
Oh, that advert.
Well, what did you think?
I thought there was one with girls or something.
Girls? Oh, anyway, right, that's it for our time here in Berwick. So welcome to the video. You join us as we're leaving Berwick in Northumberland and we're heading to Kielder Forest. We had intended on showing you a lot more of our arrival and the journey there because the road and the drive was absolutely stunning. Unfortunately, we turned a corner and came across a head-on collision involving a van and a car. Steve's a paramedic if you don't know, so we stopped to help. Unfortunately, nobody else stopped. And to add to the drama really, we were in an area with absolutely no signal, so what 3 words came in really handy for us when we finally managed to get through to the emergency services. And then we had emergency services arriving from Scotland and England, which was quite interesting. So apologies if the start of the video feels a bit flat, but we were a bit kind of shell-shocked by what we'd seen, but it does pick up, so stick with it. How was your journey?
Fine.
Fine. Was it somewhat delayed?
It was an hour's delay.
For what reason?
Someone caused a car accident.
Yeah, not us.
No, not us. We came across a car accident.
Yes, so we stopped to help. So you're just, what are you doing?
Plotting our route.
Plotting our route where?
You want to know how long it takes to get to the Kielder Lake Reservoir, whatever it's called. Water.
So we parked Marge at Kielder Castle, had a spot of lunch, and then headed to find a map. There's loads of routes around the forest. I think you could actually spend a whole week here and not walk or cycle the same track. Anyway, we wanted quite a gentle walk, so we headed in the direction of the lake. Just at the edge of the visitors centre there is a sculpture that was in the form of a maze, and like the 3 big kids we are, we spent quite a few minutes in there trying to get out. We have been this way.
I've been this way.
Oh, hang on, where's Lola?
Just there.
I can't even see the exit.
get out?
Oh, I thought you had to find the middle or something. Oh, I thought you had to find the way out in the middle.
Emerge.
Near here, the Kielder Castle was the first international football match between the Dukes of Northumberland and Buccleuch. And apparently they couldn't go shooting because there was a disease amongst the grouse, so they were all dead, so there was nothing to shoot. So they arranged a football match instead, and it's with unlimited numbers per side. And it started after breakfast, and at half time there was a high jumping and long jumping competition. At the end of the match, about tea time, England had won 2-0, which is the good news. The bad news is about 8 players were dead and several more died within 2 weeks, all blaming it on injuries received at the match. There you go. How nice.
It looks a little bit like a scene from the BFG. Doesn't it?
That way.
No,
There's a sign.
no, we're doing the purple.
Oh, is that where the Gruffalo is?
No, I think the Gruffalo is that one.
None of these trees were here, and the old Duke of Northumberland's hunting lodge back there, you could see it, which stood out for miles. That's why I insisted it was built in the same sort of style.
It's quite cool actually. Did you read the sign over there?
No.
That said it was like one of the only things he wrote in the style called like the skew arch or something. It's wonky.
Oh yeah, it is on the one, isn't it?
It's unique.
Unique.
Bears.
Bears? You any good bear jokes, babe? No.
How'd you get a bear out of a tree?
Say again?
How'd you get a bear out of a tree?
Don't know. How'd you get a bear out of a tree?
Cameron bear.
No, which cheese do you use? Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Oh wow, look at the back.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a cool bench.
There's a cool bench. There's no plaque on it though, in memory of Joan, who loved this place.
Right, come on, try and find the lake.
There seemed to be something round every corner in this forest, and we were really pleased to turn the corner and find a bird hide. So this one was called Lakeview. I think there was another one, and you could head in here. It had loads of information about all of the birds. So we sat and did a bit of birding. We didn't really know what we were looking at, apart from the heron that we spotted.
There's a heron. I can see a bird. There's a heron. Look. Loads of storm damage. Was it Storm Arwen? The sign blamed her.
Just thinking of all the firewood. Yeah. Should have bought the chainsaw.
Trying to find the lake. I can just hear a road.
Oh, that's funny. It actually says 1:15.
Steve's been lost in the maze for an hour. Hey, finally! We walked down here, across here, and down to about there. Nice walk.
What route did we take? 'Cause we didn't go across the viaduct again, under the viaduct.
No, there was a little loopy bit, and we just went like that and crossed.
And that would have been the path, but it's all shut
yeah.
because of the trees coming down.
Right.
Let's go find the campsite. Maybe on the way out tomorrow, we could have a drive along
Round the lake.
wouldn't we? Perhaps go for breakfast or something. Hey. Drinking your Durham beer.
Yeah.
Oh.
And your
Chris from Holy Island.
Lindisfarne cider. Has pitched up at the Kielder Campsite. Interesting checking in facilities, as in your name's on a whiteboard, you rub it off, find somewhere to pitch your van. We've all got electric. Yeah, happy. Nice. Get a little picnic table in a barbecue area. Peaceful. Nice. That's us for the night. Just done a big long walk. Thought about walking to the pub, but it looks a bit far. Good morning. Just. Yeah, it's about, I don't know, what's it? What time is it?
Quarter to 12.
Quarter to 12. Yeah, we had a bit of a lazy start to the day. The campsite we stayed at last night was well, there was a 7:30 curfew because then the midges came.
Midgie.
And you were not wanting to go out. There were clouds of them. And again this morning, as it's rained in the night,
yeah, we just literally lobbed everything in and chucked the rubbish in the bins and went. So that's it for our time in Kielder. We will come back, probably not in midge season because we do feel that restricted our activities somewhat. So join us in our next video where we are heading to Hadrian's Wall, and we have a great couple of days there on an amazing campsite exploring the wall and all the forts around the area. So please remember to give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps us to grow our channel. We are relatively new, so any feedback or comments, we will gratefully receive them. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you really soon.
Someone said you should always bring binoculars on a walk, so then you can pretend you're looking for birds and catch your breath.
It's no heavy breathing here.